Welcome back to day 5 of Advent of Cyber 2021. Today's task is called Pesky Elf Forum and our learning objective are about cross-site scripting, also called XSS vulnerability. Now let's start the machine. After a minute it starts. You can read through this text to understand the cross-site scripting. Also in the challenge walkthrough heading, they explain you about the website we are going to hack. So it is basically a forum where you can comment or login, and the comment boxes have cross-site scripting vulnerability. Let's go to our target website. They have provided a special link to go to our target website without actually connecting to TryHackMe server via OpenVPN. This is a standard link that can be used with any other box. So how does this work? This is the standard format of writing those links. In IP, instead of putting the dot, you have to use dash or minus to get to the target IP address. What it basically does is redirects you to a web proxy that does all the work you actually do while you connect to OpenVPN. You can read the description here. Let's get back to our challenge. So first we do the login. In the description they have provided the password for MuxKDD. You type the username and the password they have given is password itself. Without the capital letter P, it's small letter P A S S W O R D. Just log in. After logging in, let's go to settings and we have an option to change our password. Let's type pass123 and when we click on update, we see our URL also changes with the new password being mentioned. So what we can do is create a cross-site script which we will send to our target, and when he opens, he will open this link here, making their password change to pass123 as well. So since I know their username, I can log into them using the new password. For that, let's go back to our forum. So this is the thread where we can comment. In the comment box, you have to enter script between this less than greater than sign and then close the script and use the function fetch. This is basic Java scripting. Whenever you type a JavaScript inside an HTML page, you have to start with script tag and then end it with close script tag. This symbol represents close in JavaScript, and we are using the function fetch so that the target goes to this side from his side. So the new password changes to pass123. Let's leave this comment. Now in the background where Grinch is already logging, he will go to this forum and the script which we don't see because it is in the background. If we do the inspect here, we will see that the script is actually present here but it is hidden since it is part of the HTML. So what happens is when Grinch accesses this website, this script get executed on his part of the server and his password changes to pass123. So it might take a minute for Grinch to change his password. What we can do is just log out and try to log in as Grinch with password pass123, and since he already went to the forum, his password gets changed. Now we can go to the settings and then press the disable button to get the flag which we are asked for. Now let's discuss the method 2 to solve this challenge. In this method, instead of changing my target's password, what I'm going to do is capture his cookies and use that to log in. Let's discuss that. First, I will log in using the MuxKDD account. Since I have already changed his password in previous method, I have to use the new password PASS123 login. For this method, you will need two things. First is TryHackMe's own request catcher. It is a website basically creates a unique URL that you can use on TryHackMe private network for logging HTTP and DNS request from your targets. Create session. And other thing is a cookie editor to edit cookie in Chrome or Firefox, whatever you choose. This same cookie editor is available on both cookie editor extension Chrome. When I go through this, I have to install it and now it is installed. What it basically does is list all the cookies that is being used in the website you are surfing on. So when you get back to the target website and click on cookies, you will see that they are using a token. This token is a private token that makes the website know that you are MuxKitty. So I am going to steal Grinch's token value from his cookie so that I can log in as Grinch without actually typing his password. What I need to do is get to the comment forum, and in place of comment we will use another script. This is the script. First opening the script tag and at the end closing the script tag. Document.write is a function in JavaScript just like fetch is a function in JavaScript. What it does is writes a line to the HTML code, and we are going to write image source is equal to our own server that we have created using tryhackme request catcher, and then I'm going to add cookie.gif. I have just written a name of any image file which need not to be exist. What it basically will do is create a broken image on the forum. Question mark mentioning cookie is equal to. This is the parameter, and then the document cookie will get you all the cookies that target is using. This is also part of JavaScript. It is a variable that stores all the cookies in a web page, and then close this with single quotation. So in our target's HTML code, a new line will be added which will be this, then the value that it collects from document.cookie variable, then the ending of this image. So this is the total link that will be executed as image source. Let's get back to our tryhackme request catcher. If I forgot to mention, to access this website you have to go 10-10-10-100 then pthmlabs.com and then create a session. Let's get back to our forum to comment. Here in comment you will comment this script, paste, leave comment. Now we wait for Grinch to access this page and send his cookies to request catcher. Now let's get back to our request catcher. We see it has collected a lot of requests, DNS requests. We need to look for an HTTP request and see we get an HTTP request, and here we have the link. In this link cookie is equal to token is equal to this value here. Just to make sure that this cookie isn't ours but it's the target's, let's click on the cookie right here, and it ends with HC and it ends with B6. So this must be the cookie of another user, probably Grinch. Let's copy this. Let's get back to our original page, Elf forum. We are already logging at MuxKitty because of our token. Let's change the value of token, the new token we got from cross-site scripting. Press on save button. Now this has been saved, and then press Ctrl+Shift+R. What it basically does is reload the page without actually editing the cookies that has already been stored. If you press Ctrl+R, it might overwrite your cookies with a new one. After pressing Ctrl+Shift+R, we get a new Elf forum with login as Grinches. Let's go to settings, and we see this new button here to press, which was only available to Grinch. If we click disable here, we get the flag. Now let's enter that, and we have completed this video. A good habit is to terminate the machine after you have used it. Now let's end this video here.